Everest Base Camp and Gokyo Lake Helicopter Trek. Hiking experience and blissful helicopter ride over the Everest with landing at Kala Patthar Gokyo Lakes. Easy trekking experience in Khumjung Region with hike to Namche Bazaar and Hotel Everest View. Easy trekking experience in Khumjung Region, hike to Hotel Everest View. We are full-service travel agency, specialize in luxury trips. Everest Trek combined with heli tour. All-inclusive itinerary with 5-star hotel and luxury lodge. Best time for trek spring and autumn. Departure any date throughout the year. Customize your itinerary with our specialist according to your interest. Day 1 arrival at Kathmandu, transfer to hotel. Day 2 guided Kathmandu Valley sightseeing and trek preparation. Day 3 fly to Lukla and start trek to Phakting. Day 4 trek from Phakting to Namche Bazaar. Day 5 day hike around Namche Bazaar and Hotel Everest View. Day 6 helicopter tour of Everest Base Camp Kala Patthar and Gokyo Lakes. Day 7 fly from Lukla to Kathmandu. Free time to explore. Day 8 final departure from Nepal. Things to pack for trekking. Clothing and footwear. Miscellaneous and necessary item. The perfect adventure, built to suit you. Book now at aspirationadventures.com.